Today, we're diving into the latest leaks about Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is set to launch in January 2025. Even though we're months away from the official announcement, we've got some exciting details, especially about its design. Thanks to ace leaker Steve Hemmerstoffer, also known as @OwnLeaks on X, we now have a clear look at what Samsung's next big thing will bring to the table. Let's jump right in. The design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra has been leaked by @OwnLeaks in collaboration with AndroidHeadlines. While it doesn't stray too far from the design of its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, there's one big change that's all about improving comfort. The phone's corners are slightly rounded, which is a noticeable shift from the sharp and edgy corners of the S24 Ultra. In fact, many users found the corners of the S24 Ultra to be a bit too sharp, making it less comfortable to hold. The new design on the S25 Ultra aims to fix that, offering a more comfortable grip while maintaining the sleek premium feel Samsung is known for. The Galaxy S25 Ultra sports a flat, glass-covered front and rear design with metal sides. You can spot the antenna lines on the sides, confirming the use of metal for the frame. What's really interesting is that while the S25 Ultra retains curved corners, they're less sharp than the ones on the S20 Ultra and S21 Ultra, but a definite improvement over the S24 Ultra. Now let's talk about the screen. The S25 Ultra comes with a massive 6.9-inch display on the front, featuring thinner bezels compared to the S24 Ultra. There's also a punch hole cutout for the front-facing camera. Around the back, we have 4 cameras and an LED flash, all encased in ridged circular covers, a design that's become iconic for Samsung's Ultra series. One thing to note, though, is that while the renders from @OwnLeaks show completely flat sides, popular tipster Ice Universe has a slightly different take. He believes that the side rails will feature an asymmetrical design, meaning that the middle frame won't be entirely flat or visibly rounded. Ice Universe even chimed in with a comment saying, "Thanks to @OwnLeaks for the S25 Ultra render, but there are 2 mistakes. The bezels and metal middle frame are not quite accurate, and the rear camera's texture may be based on speculation." So, while we have a good idea of the design, there may still be some tweaks before the official reveal. Moving on to the phone's dimensions, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be lighter and thinner than the S24 Ultra. According to Android Headlines, the phone will weigh 219 grams, making it lighter than its predecessor, which weighed 232 grams. It's also expected to be 8.2 millimeters thin, which is 0.4 millimeters thinner than the S24 Ultra. With measurements of 162.8 millimeters in height and 77.6 millimeters in width, it's clear that Samsung is focusing on making the S25 Ultra a bit more compact, without sacrificing screen size or functionality. Now let's get into the specs, and spoiler alert, they're impressive. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will reportedly be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, offering 12 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. That's enough power and space for just about anything from gaming to productivity. In terms of battery life, we're looking at a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. So while the battery size remains unchanged for the S24 Ultra, it's still one of the biggest batteries you'll find in a flagship phone. One of the standout features of any Ultra phone is the camera setup, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't disappoint. It's expected to have a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, along with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and 2 50-megapixel telephoto cameras. Selfie lovers, you'll get a 12-megapixel front camera for sharp and clear photos. This setup, combined with One UI 7.1 and Android 15, will take mobile photography to the next level. Satellite connectivity for emergency messaging. This could be a game changer, allowing you to send emergency texts even in areas without cellular coverage. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest mobile leaks. As always, see you in the next video. Hey, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.